Kwelinye inqaku uMphathiswa wezeMfundo eRhawutini uMatome Chiloane ubeke Inkampani Yezomthetho ukuba yenze uphando oluzimeleyo ngokubhubha komfundi oneminyaka elishumi ubudala uMilton Mokgoatsane kwisikolo samabanga aphantsi eReagile Primary School eTembisa. Iingxelo zidiza ukuba lenkwenkwana ebifunda ibanga lesihlanu isweleke emva kokuba iwelwe Yipali yamanqaku ebhola ekhatywayo esikolweni ngexesha lokudlala ngoFebruwari.
We are here just to present this legal firm to the school. We have gone to the family, introduced to the family, and requested the family to really work with the company, with the attorneys, to really run this investigation. We also want to explain to them why it took some time, but of course, government processes on their own take some time to acquire this particular law firm. Like I always say about the law firms, they've got a strong success rate in our department. I would say almost 100%. And their recommendations, every time we take them to heart, we implement them as they are, because literally they are an extension or representation of an investigation that I would have done myself if I had the capability. So they do that investigation on my behalf. On the behalf of the department, they bring the recommendation, we act on them as they are. We never really write back and say this recommendation is not right, can you review this one? No. We have always implemented, and the success stories are there. Davidson Skills, as an example, where the principal was found wanting. The independent law firm was able to give us strong evidence so that we can act on that particular principal, and we have acted on that particular individual. As we speak now, it's going through the disciplinary process. I think we're almost done with it. Dismissed. Well, yes, now it's dismissed. The principal subsequently got dismissed. So we act on this investigation by the law firms. So we've got to the family. I'm going to introduce them to the school leadership. From the school leadership, just to also tell them that there is no closing the gate when they want to investigate.